This is going to go away without a vaccine. It's going to go away, and we're not going to see it again, hopefully, after a period of time.
You said recently that you would, if necessary, be the first person to get a vaccine. How important do you think a vaccine ultimately is?
Well, I didn't say I wanted to. That's not a correct statement. I said, you said, would you be? And I said, if it was good for the country, I'd be. And if it was bad for the country, I'll wait to be the last one, or I wouldn't do it at all. No, I was asked whether or not I would do it as the first person. If I thought that was a good thing for the country, I would. I don't, personally, and I have to say, I think we're doing very well on vaccines. If they wanted to use me as a test, that's okay with me, if it was good. But that was really the way the question was asked.
But how important do you believe a vaccine is to getting out of this? And what do you say to those that this growing anti-vaccine?
Well, I feel about vaccines like I feel about tests. This is going to go away without a vaccine. It's going to go away, and we're not going to see it again, hopefully, after a period of time. You may have some flare-ups, and I guess, I would expect that sometime in the fall you'll have flare-ups, maybe. Maybe not, but according to what a lot of people say, you probably will. We'll be able to put them out. You may have some flare-ups next year, but eventually it's going to be gone. It's going to be gone. There are some viruses and flus that came and they went for a vaccine. They never found the vaccine and they've disappeared. They've never shown up again. They die too, like everything else. They die too. And so whether we do or not, I think great progress is being made by Johnson & Johnson, by Oxford, and some others. NYU, I see, is very advanced. But if you don't get it, this is going to go away at some point.
Mr. President, what evidence have you seen that this is going to go away without a vaccine?
I just rely on what doctors say. They say it's going to go. That doesn't mean this year. It doesn't mean it's going to be gone, frankly, by the fall or after the fall. But eventually it's going to go away. The question is, will we need a vaccine? At some point, it will probably go away by itself. If we had a vaccine, that would be very helpful. Be very happy to have a vaccine.